come marching by. Look at those cookies stepping high, each with a twinkle in his eye at the cookie carnival. They're going to choose a cookie queen, a cookie queen, a cookie queen. Who's the one that's going to be queen of the cookie jamboree? Here they come on their way, hundreds of cookies on display, up for a cookie holiday at the cookie carnival.
Nhớ rằng cái lông bè của đi cha có chuyện trao lại một sự từ đó chị mua về tia cứ chị mới cho căn giờ xong đó là nà li cái gì tôi chưa đã chị nà sao cô lần này nó cứ mà đi chắc mo.
All alone the reason why. Got the picture here up. Here's the way to do it. There's nothing to it. You're going to be the sweetest one of all. Golly, but you're pretty. Yumpty dumpty diddy. Just wait and see. You're going to be the sweetest one of all.
Digital Yola Tutonda. Hi.
Hail, oh hail the queen, hail the cookie queen. Hail, hail the queen, oh hail the queen.
Sẽ có tay Yola biết cái lời chim tàu.
The candidates are waiting. We have no time to lose. Up with the curtain, pick anyone you choose. We're the Dandy Candy Kids. We're the Dandy Candy Kids. You've won our hearts, and so we say that if you're smart, you'll pick one of us right away, for we're the Dandy Candy Kids. We're the old-fashioned cookies like Mother used to bake. You're the only girl we love. Give one of us a break.
We're the angel food cake. We want it understood that you should marry one of us because we are so good. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You should marry one of us because we are so good.
We're the devil's food.
We're the devil's
food cake. Bitty Billy Bodum.
Bitty Billy Bodum.
Skidly Willy Wodum.
Skidly Willy Wodum.
We're naughty, but we're nice. We're nice and naughty. Yeah, man.
We're the upside down cakes.
with the wrong side up above. Although we're topsy-turvy, we're head over heels in love.
We're the Jolly Rum Cookies. Hick! Please pardon us if we intrude. Hick! Though all other cookies are baked in a pan, a rum cookie always is stewed, is always stewed.
We've tried our very best to find a king for you,
But you've said no to everyone. What can we do? What can we do?
What can we do? What can we do?
My advice would be, marry me.
No me, no me.
Perhaps you better marry all three.
Chú, lấy cái đi chuột tao là nếu papa hơi tiền này lấy tiền nào.
Chữa tay, yeah.
Hail the king,